So unfortunately, Stella hasn't been running right. She breaks up between about 3,000 and 4,000 RPM. I'm thinking it's coil packs, but one of my good friends here thinks it's a TPS, so we're gonna change it out anyway. The TPS tests out well, but it does have a small hiccup right towards the end of the rev range, which doesn't bother me. My friends are actually here with me. We got Josh and Denton. Don't flame Denton because he's wearing a Nike shirt. We're gonna get the ball rolling. Let's go. Now the only tools you're gonna need for changing out a TPS on an SR20 is gonna be a socket or wrench. The socket or wrench needs to be 7 millimeters, which is smaller than what I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be an 8. And the next thing you need is a nice or just basic multimeter to adjust the TPS properly so that your car runs properly. Oh, you've already unplugged it for me.
Yeah.
Thanks, bro. So, obviously the TPS is down here. There's only 2 bolts that fasten it in. So we're gonna undo this real quick.
I can see why people use mirrorless cameras. This is heavy.
It is
heavy.
It's
already fatiguing.
Can you imagine holding it like in front of you, straight arm the whole day?
He buys a new one like every year, it seems like. He goes through them pretty quick though, using them all the time.
There we go. Probably want to keep this bracket here. So we're gonna be going from this guy to this guy. Requires a little more finesse than I thought it would. So we've got the TPS back in the car. We're gonna go ahead and test it. It's a pretty simple process, and I'm sure I've showed you guys before, but just for video's sake, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it again. We want the TPS in between around 0.44 volts at closed throttle, and then around hopefully 4 to 5 at open throttle. And to do that, we're gonna take our black prong on our multimeter and stick it in through our black wire lead against the TPS connector. And we're gonna take the red and stick it into the white wire right over here. And we can see here that we are not where we need to be at 0.25. So we need to loosen the TPS and adjust it a little bit. Luckily I still have the TPS loose. I just have to twist it around until I get the number that I want. Oh. Alright. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it down, and hopefully it doesn't move around on me. So we managed to get it right on 0.44. Now we're gonna go ahead and open the throttle slowly so that we can see that the voltage climbs up pretty smoothly. It's looking pretty good. And that's at wide open throttle. That's a lot better. Awesome. Perfect. Sweet JDMs.
I'll be here waiting.
Bye, Denton.
Bye.
Now that we've got everything reinstalled and set the way it needs to be, we're gonna go ahead and go for a cruise to make sure everything's running right. Hopefully this fixed our problem, although I'm not sure that it's gonna be the solution to my breaking up at 3,000 or 4,000 RPM. It's not starting.
It's not?
No. Still running lean at idle. So unfortunately, the new TPS did not fix the problem. I didn't think that was gonna be the solution anyway, but you know, it's kind of a bummer. You can always hope. But I know that was a short video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little upload and a little how-to. Hope it helps. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.